In this video, we are going to review the new Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker app for the Microsoft Power Platform. To download this app, please visit aka.ms/HEC-FIT. Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker app empowers universities to report monetary impact that COVID-19 has had on research activities. By reporting the monetary impact, universities can assess and pursue their eligibility for relief funding. The financial impact of COVID-19 on the research, grants, and budgets of the school is in the millions. Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker app includes a web app for IT admins, which will allow university administrators to configure, set up, and load required data for Higher Education Financial Impact Tracker app. A mobile app designed for data collection by research teams such as principal investigators, co-principal investigators, and other administrators. This mobile app will allow users to update effort loss percentage and reason for each employee and for each sponsored program. Let's review Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker mobile app. To get started with the mobile app, you need to download the Power Apps mobile on your device using the device's App Store. Download the Power Apps mobile. For Apple devices with iOS such as iPhone and iPad, use App Store. For Android devices, use Google Play. Ensure your organization has deployed and configured the Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker app. After you install the Power Apps mobile, open the app from your device and sign it with your company's Azure Active Directory account. You can view all apps shared to you by your organizations once you sign in. For more information, please visit aka.ms/HEC-FIT. As you log into Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker, the first screen you will see is a welcome message, which will display the message based on the configuration done in the admin app. You can choose not to show this message again, and let's get started. Higher Education Crisis Financial Impact Tracker app has three key areas in the mobile app. You can review grants, you can review sponsored programs, and you can review employees. We're going to start with sponsored program. We can see all of the sponsored program associated with the principal investigator. We're going to click on first sponsored program. As we click on the sponsored program, we can see the detail page where we can review the co-principal investigator, the grant the sponsored program associated with, the description of sponsored program, and the sponsor name. You can also see the effort loss impact amount and the effort loss impact percentage. For each pay period, you can define the loss percentage for each of the employee in the system with different reasons code. So this screen shows that we already have submitted the pay period for March 2020, a loss and 40% loss for each of the employee. So if you want to show a different reporting period, for each reporting period, you can have different employee sets. And you can update the information from 30%, for example. Now we decided that's 40%. And then you update this information. You can actually go and look into each employee. So for example, when I click on Tricia, I can see the Tricia detail about their employee class, the department, the college, what is the annual base salary, and what is the effort impact for this program based on the average effort associated with it and the impact of the effort. You can go into the list of employees and review each of these employee lists and go and learn specifically about each employee and the effort impact associated with it for a specific program. You can also review grants, where you can see all of the grants associated with different sponsored programs that you are responsible for. You can review grants detail, like grant title, grant number, the description, the principal investigator, and every sponsored program associated with this grant, the total award amount, the effort impact, and effort impact in terms of dollar. In addition to the grant sponsored program and employee, on every screen you will see an information button, which you can click to see a frequently asked question, how to understand what needed to be reported as a lost, and any other standard operating procedures that you want to describe. You will be able to configure that in the admin app. We are super excited to share this solution with the rest of our community. To learn how to deploy this app and get to available assets, follow the link on the screen. We would love to hear about your experience deploying this application and customizing it for your own need.